Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to use Skrill for virtual wallet for money transfer and online payment. Very easily download and access Skrill virtual wallet. So let's start as a demonstration how to use it. Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks and press the bell icon. So let's start as a demonstration. Simply open any types of web browser, enter the Google and type here Skrill and enter. So first URL is display here. Skrill is a virtual wallet for money transfer and online payment. Skrill is a digital wallet provided established in 2001, which is offer of range of online payment and money transfer services. So let's start. Simply click here. So this is a website of skrill.com. So here two options are available. One is a business. You are a own businessman, so you go with that business and then register. Otherwise you can click simply in consumer. So here several languages also available in different language, European languages, like English is a standard because of this application established and created originally in UK. So some Dutch, French, Spanish, Italian, Indian English language also available. So simply register here and you put it here, your first name, last name, your country, currency, email address and password. Simply and register. So I just simply type here India, my currency is and I type here my password. Password is a case sensitive, some characters, some numbers and some symbols. Register. You can install same application on your mobile device also. All mobile devices they are providing like Android and iOS. You simply register detail address. So I am putting my address here, my date of birth, and then next. My Skrill account is open. I am using username ID in my smartphone. I can pay online here like Skrill Explore, complete registration, add money and ready to payment. Send money very easily. Already I register completed. So you just simply click here, my mobile number here, verification code I am receiving here. So I am receiving verification code 433, then verify, and then I am putting here new pin of my Skrill account. Simply save it. I am now deposit fees is a 2.5% fees they are charging for my side. I am putting here my credit card or debit card number and just deposit now and then send money where I want send exactly in same bank account or Skrill account. I can transfer Skrill to Skrill account very easily. You can use this one and solve your problem for online receiving payment and online payment using Skrill application. No need for any types of bank account. You just use credit card, debit card, upload your money and use this money anywhere very easily. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram. Same Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.